What's good, YouTube? It's Rob Stacks coming at y'all with another YouTube video, you know what I'm saying? Now, I know y'all ain't heard my voice in a minute, you know what I'm saying? I've been gone for like 2 months, but I'm back, you feel me? We finna go crazy, I need to be more consistent with it. I need y'all to give me some video ideas too, so I could be more consistent with it. But, I'm back now. I do want to say this. I want to thank y'all. I want to thank y'all for supporting me. Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me. We got 2,000 now, you know what I'm saying? 2K. Road to 100K. Keep supporting me on thank y'all. I want to give y'all a name. Like, I want to call y'all something, but like, I don't know what to call y'all. Like, should I call y'all Stacks Family or like Stacks Gang? But at the same time, I don't want to be using everybody. Like, I don't want to be using what everybody else be using. You know what I'm saying? So, I need y'all to write something down in the comment section what y'all should be called, because I want to call y'all something. I don't want to just be calling y'all what's good YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I want to say what's good in the name, feel me? So I don't know, I'm thinking of Stacks Family or like, I don't know, y'all gotta give me some ideas. But in today's video, I finna go pick up my little sister and we finna do a little Q&A mukbang, you know what I'm saying? So road to 100K. I want to set a goal for myself though, for real. By the end of the year, I want to have at least, so we have 2,000 right now, at least 50K. Can we do that? You know what I'm saying? 50K by the end of 2021. Now, if we could do that, shit, I don't know. But I want to hit 50K before the end of 2021. I think we could do that, bro. I need y'all support. I need y'all to keep supporting me, you know what I'm saying? And just watch me grow. But make sure y'all enjoy the video, you know what I'm saying? Road to 100K.
Look, Brianna.
I got some French fries. I got some nuggets. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do the intro when I'm nervous. I ain't taking too many time.
Wait. Oh, it is cool.
What's good, YouTube? It's Rob Stacks. You know that I changed my name?
No, I didn't know you changed your name.
I changed it. It's not Rob TV anymore. Rob TV. I feel like everybody be using TV. I changed it to Rob Stacks. You know
Why? Because
my gaming name is Premium Stacks.
yeah, that's it.
So I put Rob Stacks. You think that's better than Rob TV, or I should have kept Rob TV?
No, I like Rob Stacks.
Rob Stacks. You know what I'm saying? Coming at y'all with another YouTube video, you know what I'm saying? Come on here, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Eliza.
Eliza, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? Finna do a mukbang Q&A, you know what I'm saying? I ain't seen you in a long time.
Mm-hmm.
How long you think it's been?
3 months.
She been living with her mom.
It was like until New Year's. Cause
February.
right after Christmas, I went to my mom's.
It has been 3 months.
Oh, it has?
But we finna do a little Q&A mukbang, you know what I'm saying? We got the Chick-Fil-A, you know what I'm saying? Show them the Chick-Fil-A. Gotta get a thumbnail. So, what you been doing?
School. And going to the park and helping my mom.
We'll be going to the park with.
Sometimes myself, and then sometimes my sister, and then when she spends the night, I sometimes go over there. That's when
Where?
To that park.
Well, there's like 2 parks. There's a park in like our backyard, like right when you go in the backyard, there's a gate, and then there's a park. And then all the way, so that's ours. And then all the way over there, there's a park, and then that's when we went to the school.
We don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't.
Why I sleep with my seatbelt on, bro? Did it smell like anything when you walked up in here?
No, just it's hot.
Gotcha, bitch.
What Ronald been doing?
Playing the game and helping my mom.
That's all he do, is just play the game all day, every day. Something like that.
Yep.
Proud.
It's hot.
You got your nails did?
Yeah, I did them by myself.
Let me see.
You just don't mind the little, yeah. And don't mind this. I just did this. I was in a rush.
Why are you drawing on yourself?
Shush!
You could eat. You not hungry?
No, I'm thinking. Because I ate McDonald's.
You already ate. It's hot.
No, I'm trying to hurry up and eat it. Remember to cut that out.
Nope.
Okay, so first is, what is your zodiac sign?
Leo.
Really?
What's your zodiac sign?
Virgo.
You a Virgo? Why you a Virgo for?
Why are you a Leo?
What?
Why are you a Leo?
Why are you a Virgo?
Virgos are nice.
Cap.
Alright, I got a question for you.
Okay.
Would you start a YouTube channel?
Maybe.
What would it be called?
Liza Vlogs.
Liza Vlogs. You can make one?
I don't know.
You gotta make one. I have a YouTube channel. Ron have a YouTube channel. You have a YouTube channel. Ron could do like gaming. Because she always put a game.
He sucks.
You're not lying.
Who was the last person you text? You.
Oh yeah.
I got nervous.
I just text her.
Do you have tattoos? Didn't you have a new one or something like that? Can I see?
Look.
Like go like that. Oh, nice. Camera looks so nice.
You know what I'm saying? I gotta get more. I gotta do my whole one.
I was gonna say that. You're gonna do your whole one.
You finna get some tattoos when you grow up. You don't need tattoos. Tattoos hurt. They feel like a bee is stinging you. It's like if a tick poke your skin, which is going across. And it hurt.
What is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Moxie. You know that movie?
Why you watch that? That's on Netflix, huh?
Uh-huh. I love that movie. It's the life.
You been talking to any boys?
No.
You lying?
No, I'm not.
Why are you smiling?
I'm not.
It's funny.
No, I'm not. I don't talk to any boys.
Why are you smiling?
I don't talk to any boys.
You could tell me the truth, but I didn't bring my belt today.
I don't be talking to any boys.
What are you talking to, boys?
Have you been talking to any girls?
Why you ask me that?
Cause you asked me.
I am 18. You gotta wait. 'Cause boys at your age, they don't really like you. They just act like they like you.
Man, you don't go to school.
Boys is little. Your age, they is little boys.
I don't talk to any boys.
Oh, my bad. Tell them how old you is.
Why?
Cause I want people to know that how old you is.
I'm 12.
Yeah, she is a little girl, so don't be talking to her. She is a child. Don't be talking to her, cause that's weird. She's 12 years old.
Okay, what have you been doing?
Working. Nothing. I be bored at the house. It's a new house and it's quiet, and we don't live with Ari and Bella no more. So I be by myself. And guess what?
What?
My dad having 2 more kids.
Who?
My dad.
One of the I didn't know she.
Pregnant again.
This better be a prank.
I'm being for real. Why would I prank you about that?
I know you was having a baby with me, but oh no. We about to have how many siblings? We have so many siblings I have. So you, well on my dad's side, so you, Ronald, Jaden, I always count the boys first. The girls were a mistake on my dad's side. I was supposed to be the only girl. So you, Jaden, Ronald, Journey, Genesis, Amaya, and then 2 other babies. 8 on my dad's side. And then all together on my mom's side, I got
Jacob, you, Jay, Ronald, Jaden, Journey, Amaya, Genesis, and then 11 siblings.
You got 11 siblings. I'm weird. I think I got the same.
Yeah, you probably do.
No,
You probably have 10. Cause don't you have 2 siblings on your mom's side?
I got 3.
You do? You got 3?
So I got 11 too.
How'd you get 3?
She has 3 kids.
Cause I know Cisco and Liliana.
Liliana.
Yeah.
You gonna have a YouTube channel named Liza Vlogs. You do a vlog everywhere you go.
That's what you should do.
Me? A vlog everywhere?
Even at your job.
I already did a job vlogging. It was bad.
Should still do a vlog. Okay, do not cut this out. Should he do vlogs every day or vlogs every Friday or Saturday?
Vlogs every Saturday. I'm probably have to.
Cause wait, you don't have work on Saturday, right?
Oh yeah, I do got work Saturday.
Really? That sucks. Saturdays are like the best days ever.
You tried to do your hair like Corey Leroy.
It was good when I did it, like the first day. It was like really good, but I slept through it, so now it's all frizzy.
I kind of look like Corey Leroy. I probably could have did better because I know how to do hair.
Do you know how to braid?
Yeah, I know how to braid.
Cap. Oh fuck!
You gotta introduce yourself.
Are you doing a vlog?
No, this is just gonna be at the end of the video. Sweating. Like, I am glowing.
You
what
are glowing.
That's the melanin. You got Ronald's notes.
Talking about you. Got Bobby.
Oh fuck!
Okay, bye, Robert. Peace.
Road to 100K.
Oh fuck!